Rehabilitation work of KISUMU-BUTERE railway line is 90% complete. The project, which began in September 2021, is an extension of the MGR, the meter gauge railways that was revamped from Nakuru to Kisumu. So once this railway line is complete, it is expected to ease movement of passengers and cargoes from Mombasa to Butere. So early last month, Kenya Railways revealed that it has bought 7 passengers locomotives from China to be used between Nairobi to Kisumu and then extend the commuter services to Butere. What's up, my good people? How are you doing today? I trust you're doing well and keeping it safe wherever you are. Welcome to All Things Africa. If this is your first time here, my name is Dolphin254. Karibu sana. Thank you so much for clicking this video. As you can see my background, guys, I'm back here in Butere. One of you commented in one of my videos asking me to come back and at least update you on the current renovations happening here in Butere. So here I am, guys. Your wish is always my command. So I've come all the way from Nairobi just to update you on the current renovations at this railway station. I hope you're going to enjoy this video. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. I really need your support, guys. So stay tuned. Let me show you around. As you can see, I'm on my way to Butere. Yeah, I'm taking you to the Butere station. Butere station is just a few kilometers from Butere town. Yeah, the small town of Butere. So I'm currently at a place called Efurati. Yeah, this small river is called Efurati. So I'm headed to Butere lower market. Then we'll pass the upper market. And finally we'll be reaching our station. So let's go. I'll give you a small tour of Butere town before we reach the station. So we are finally here at the lower market of Butere. This is how it looks like. If you are from Butere, you'll probably notice that this place has not changed for quite a long period of time. I don't know why. Maybe you'll leave a comment down below. Let me know why this town is not changing. So going right ahead on my left is the beautiful walls of Butere Girls. Butere Girls is one of the best schools here in Kenya. It's really performing, and I will advise anyone to bring their children to learn in Butere Girls. Right ahead on my right is Butere Boys. It's directly opposite Butere Girls and just next to Butere Primary. So let's go right ahead, guys. I'm taking you all the way to Butere Upper Market. Then we'll be reaching our railway station. So stay tuned. Make sure you watch this video to the end. And if you haven't subscribed, I really need your support, guys. Consider subscribing, like this video, and don't forget to share it to your friends. So let's go. By the way, if you want to invest in Butere, this is the right time to come invest in Butere now that the train or the railway services are coming back soon. So leave a comment, tell me if you wish to come invest in Butere. Lands are still available and they are not so expensive. So I think this is the right time to come. Okay, guys, so let's keep watching and let me take you to the station. So as you can see, I've just arrived at Butere railway station. So excited, guys, today because I told you that your wish is always my command. One of you commented in one of my videos asking me to come back here at Butere to update you on the current construction updates and the renovations of the Butere railways line. So I'm back here in Butere station. Yeah, so I'll be making a turn hapa mbele and I'll go back to at least show you the administration block and everything. So I think you can see up to the other side where motorbikes are passing. That's the end of the railway line. So let me just make a U-turn. Yeah, this is what's going on. I think the railway tracks have been renovated well. I think they're ready. Wow, I'm so excited. So I'll just be showing you how this place looks like. You leave a comment. Tell me what you think about the current updates. Yeah, on my right you can see that That's a toilet. So, wow. So let's just go, guys. I won't be speaking much. I just want you to see how this place looks like. I was coming here expecting to see massive changes, but unfortunately, I think this is the same thing I saw here the last time I recorded for you, the Butere railway station. So this is basically what's happening. You leave a comment, guys, tell me what you think. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. Really need your support. Station is going to help so many people coming from this western side of Kenya, like people coming from Butere, from Sabatia, Shatala. Here is where they'll be boarding their train towards Kisumu and all the way to Nairobi. So this is a good initiative by the government to revive the railway stations all over Kenya. Oh my God. This railway station is enabling the Big Four agenda through railways infrastructure. So location is Butere Railway Station. So this is a project of rehabilitation of 69.05 kilometers railway station all the way from Kisumu to Butere. So yeah, this is the project. So I hope you've loved this. If you've enjoyed watching this video, leave a comment down below. And if you're coming from these sides of Kenya, also leave a comment down below. Let me know where you're coming from and let me know if you've enjoyed watching this video. So thank you so much for your time. Until next time, bye.